This little guy will catch them once it starts getting tough. So I just got 10-pound braid. Make sure you're using a higher strand braid, like an 8 or a 10 strand braid rather than a 4 strand. I prefer an Allbright knot, Alberto knot, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. I like mono. I feel mono is more buoyant. Hey, whatever works for you guys. Keep your fishing simple. If you want to use Flora, go for it. So that's the setup on the little bug. I'll have the link in the description. There's a little bug fish. Could be a good one too, boys. Oh yeah, not bad. Just kind of slurped it off the top. Such a cool little bite. So subtle. Yeah. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get up in here. I need that bug back. Atta girl. Give you a nice little look at that bug. She just sucked it right up. Good little fish there on the black bug.